Hey,
You know what I mean, Harry? It's just like cricket, Harry. We are having fun. We are gringos in town.
ayo, 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 ayo. Daddy Freddie, Tippa Irie, Daddy Freddie, Tippa Irie, Daddy Freddie, Tippa Irie, Daddy Freddie, Tippa Irie. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk in the country and they no talk in the town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk in the country and they no talk in the town. Now this is Tippa Irie and my ragamuffin man. I am that they forget yes, it's a job. Everybody know the Tippa band down a London. I down at the jungle where they for they come from. I say this one dedicated to all bad man. Open your ears and pay attention. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk in the country and they no talk in the town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk in the country and they no talk in the town. Now this is Tippa Irie and me don't mess around. And say called Daddy Freddie, you a bad boy at home. Got some of them white and black and some of them pink and some of them brown. Some of them a live in that country, some of them a live out that town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk in the country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Want Tippa Irie cause I be run the town. And the boy try to twist it, we throw that down. With them black and with them blue and with them brown. Want to finish up with that boy, you don't. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. From you have your bag of money and your safe and sound. When don't come a dance and act like clowns. Your lip could have big like everything that they hold. Your head could have round just like a trombone. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. From you have your millimeter just.
Hold it down.
Have your Winchester then just.
Hold it down.
Have your Bushmaster then just.
Hold it down.
Have your revolver then just.
Hold it down.
Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. From you selling the
Hold it down.
from you selling the
Hold it down.
from you taking the cock the just.
Hold it down.
From you licking the smack you better.
Hold it down.
Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Say for Tippa Irie cause I be run the town. Boy try to take me, say me throw that down. One of them black, one of them blue, one of them brown. If I never send for the Tippa Irie, the arrow. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. No second Tippa Irie as the ragamuffin man. I can that they forget yes, it's a Victorian. Everybody know the Tippa band down a London. And down a jungle where they for they come from. It's a lyric dedicated to all bad man. Open your ears and pay attention. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town. Hold it down, we are big enough. Hold it down, this and they no talk at country and they no talk at town.
Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But the boy, man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. Eh eh. Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But the boy, man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. Eh eh. Well, let me now check out the situation. Me good school friend, Blabbermouth Catherine. I move with one of me brother brethren. Who big fat as swatty and have so bleaching. Every day him say him gone out, go drink Heineken. Whiskey white from and the thing double gin. And when him come back, him sick up in our kitchen. 2 years now, Catherine there with him. And every day the girl a put up with it. Same thing till, oh, one day me do some serious reasoning. Me say, Catherine, if I me did there with him, me woulda caught him down, I woulda be Bentina. Run him go watch him and me say tell him fi go slim. Cause a big lazy man do work nothing. Cause a big lazy man do work nothing. Man a problem, cause me say trouble is a man. But the bad, man a problem, cause me say trouble is a man. Eh eh, man a problem, cause me say trouble is a man. But the bad, man a problem, and me say trouble is a man. The name Smurf. Want you fi know? Come a dance and me come fi nice up the show. Sit down pon the rhythm and no go me a go. I know any man can go me any. Oh, them have to take me go a party down a stage show. Even if it take me shopping down a Tesco. Man a problem come and say trouble is a man. But the man a problem come and say say trouble is a man. Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But what? Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. DJ mommy, me a the DJ mommy, don't give me that. DJ mommy, me a the DJ mommy, come no. DJ mommy, me a the DJ mommy, don't give me that. DJ mommy, me a the DJ mommy. Why Super Smurf telling everybody? Too much man love, take liberty. Too much man nowadays, me say them don't respond. For them children or for them woman, as long as them a get them satisfaction. Dress up in a gold and them in a fashion. A boost up themself with one chops pan them man. Them man better go on Angalanka. Super Smurf say me know how them tan. Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But what? Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But what? Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. Enough man a trouble, enough man a problem. 80% not the whole of them, but the man called GT. Problem, Tippa Irie. Problem, Corporal Billy me say. Problem, Zoki. Problem, Pato Banton. Problem, Philip Levy me say. Problem, the whole of them me say them a problem. And if them ever test, me go and show them because DJ mommy me a the DJ mommy, don't give me that. DJ mommy me a the DJ mommy. And man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But what? Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But what? Man a problem, but we say trouble is a man. Me good school friend blabber mouth Catherine. I move with one of me brother brethren who big fat and swatty and have so bleaching. Every day him say him gone out go drink Heineken, whiskey, white rum and the thing double gin. And when him come back him sick up in our kitchen. 2 year now Catherine there with him, and every day the girl a put up with the same thing till one day made some serious reason. Me say Catherine if I me did there with him, me woulda clot him down with a bully beef tin. Run him go watch him and me say tell him figure slim. Cause a big lazy man don't worth nothing. Cause a big lazy man don't worth nothing. Man a problem, trouble is a man. Man a problem, come and say trouble is a man. But what? Man a problem, trouble is a man.
Come, he come style, it's on the he come style. Man, you never know because make them versatile. Come, he come style, it's on the he come style. Man, you never know because make them versatile. Come, me drink the Pepsi, me silla. And then me drink the Van, come me silla. And then me drink the Cherry Baby, me silla. And then me drink the Brandy, me silla. Introducing that me body have it all over. And I don't know why, so give me the answer. Come me left out of me house first, me taste me dinner. Dickle after that, me bun the good indica. Go cross the road, check me friend Lana. Press it to her bell and then me enter. She sit down on the chair, watch the e-sender. She asked me something, but I couldn't answer. Rough, see you never hear, tell me what's the matter. He caught me as we no mind Lana. Man, in me have it and me can't get rid of. Come, he come style, is on the he come style. Man, you never know because me can versatile. Come, he come style, it's on the he come style. Man, you never know because me can versatile. And I bring me water, me silla. And then she give me the angels, me silla. She give me the Irish mash, me ya. She give me the carrot juice, me ya. And me put on me tracks up, me silla. And then me run round the block, me silla. And then me run another lap, me silla. And then me run three lap, me silla. And now me head is hard, me got a turnover. Long time me shoulda know me have the answer. Come me drink too much drink, me wanna taste me dinner. Me throw 20 pound worth of the ganja. So me boil up the tea with them call ginger. When me taste the ginger, me never fire. He come style, it's on the he come style. Man, you never know because me can versatile. Come, he come style, it's on the he come style. Man, you never know because me can versatile. Me drink the scotch and the rap, me silla. Me drink the tea and Maria, me silla. And if you eat before you smoke, you go. And then you drink after you eat, you go. Because one thing me not like a hiccup. It make me feel like me inside a mash up. And something inside the all and pull up. It make me head hurt, make me feel physical. It make me feel bad sometimes me want cuss. All they walk me, I walk me. All they talk me, I talk me. All they turn up me silla. All they sit down me silla. Fire! He come style, it's on the he come style. And you never know because me can versatile. Come, he come style, it's on the he come style. And you never know because me can versatile. Come me drink the Pepsi, me silla. And then me drink the vodka, me silla. And then me drink the cherry, be me silla. And then me drink the brandy, me silla. Introducing on me body, have it all over. And I don't know why, so give me the answer. From me left out of me house first, me taste me dinner. Tickle after that, me bunny good in the car. Go cross the road, check me friend Lana. Press the doorbell and then me enter. She sit down on the chair, watch the e-sender. She asked me something, but I couldn't answer. Rusty, you never hear, tell me what's the matter. He caught me as you know my Lana. Man, me have it and me can't get rid of. Come, he come style, it's and the he come style. And you never know because me can versatile. Come, he come style, it's and the he come style. And you never know because me can versatile. Me give the he come style, it's and the he come style. And you never know because me can versatile, it's and the he come style. You never know the he come wicked and wild. Fire, this and the he come.